welcome back to Fastback Racing. My name is Jason, and today I'm going to unbox the G923, Logitech G923, the True Force for Xbox. So let me get over here. Hopefully I can do this with one-handed. I was supposed to have a knife over here. There it is. Yeah, this is not good. Alright, here we go. Put the knife right here. Let's take a look what's inside. And we have our cable. Playset F1 Racing. Pretty cool. We'll just throw that aside. Warranty. Throw that aside. Throw that aside. What else do we have? Instructions, which is upside down, sorry. There we go. I can't really see because I have... There we go. Yeah. And Abigail wants to see what's in the box. Yep. Abigail is always here, which is expected. Let's take the pedals. Got the pedals. Yep, definitely hard with one hand. Yeah, this everywhere. Oh yeah. So I do have a G29, and the brake is definitely a lot stiffer than the G29 pedals. And we're just gonna put that right there for right now. I probably should put this away somewhere so Abigail doesn't get stabbed. There we go. We'll just put it in a cup. And then it's time for the steering wheel. Definitely getting a lot of angles on it. Just put it right here. It's basically the same as the G29, except for everything's blacked out, which is nice. Even the shifter is blacked out. It was the G29 has the silver on that. This is black. What do you think, Abigail? You like it? Got the same little... Awesome. So I can't wait to set this up and hopefully become a little bit better on racing games. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Oops. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.